Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts, and I'm really happy. Yesterday we were talking about a challenge. Let's predict the price, the exact price of Bitcoin in 24 hours. And nearly everybody was bullish. Everybody was saying close to 20k or over 20k. So I want to start by saying thank you guys, and I'm really happy everybody was on the right side of that one. Sadly, nobody was close enough to win anything, but yeah, next time we will do it again, and I hope somebody will actually win. But I'm really happy because I'm assuming everybody who said to the upside had some exposure to the upside. So I'm really happy all of my followers were on the right side of that one. And yeah, I posted this one about 23 hours ago, yeah. Really good one. We didn't see any dips. We're just gonna look at some tweets. King Kobe, was quite bearish, below 20k, and thank you for your service. May you rest in peace is what King Kobe commented, and I think he lost a lot, and that's what happens to bears in a bull market. They're getting wiped out. Their liquidations will push the price higher. They short, but they have to buy back higher. So we're having basically short squeezes. Also, institutions are coming or are already here. We were all memeing about that in 2013 and 2014. It was just a dream, and we all knew it wasn't happening yet. But we were all talking about institutions and Lambos and everything. I can say, it's happening. It's happening with the Paul Tudor Jones and with the Michael Saylor and you name it. So yeah, it is coming. It is very good. Why did we go up so good? Well, over here we saw very positive funding, and if funding is that positive, we get a correction. Over here we saw as well very positive funding, get a small correction, discount, and we go up. Over here we saw negative funding, too positive funding and premiums, and that's when we get corrections here as well. When we see negative, we go down. Over here we saw positive funding and premiums. But last night, like last video, if you look back, I got very bullish because we were at the big resistance and we saw zero premiums, and we saw we saw flat funding. That is when I get really bullish, and we got what I was hoping for and what everybody was predicting. So I'm really happy about that. Let's take a look at what I think will happen next. This could be happening. This line can act as resistance at the moment, in my opinion. We touched it. I think we will go through it, but I was just looking at some resistances. The case now, still a bullish case, is what I think is very possible, is something like this. Not yet, but sooner or later this will happen. Taking out every long who has a stop below 20k. And that is what I think will happen, but I think not yet, because there are no premiums at the moment. There's even a discount on Bitmex. Let's take a look at all the funding rates. I think we make another leg to the upside. Making a prediction of how high is really hard at this moment, because at the end of a week, there's not actually more people buying it anymore. It's most of the times it's just people getting liquidated or getting stopped out of their short. So those are most of the times the people who buy the top. Taking a look, this is basically what I think is happening. We can remove everything. Take a look at a smaller time frame. We have seen this pattern before. Something like this. Breakdown. But then they go up again. I've seen this a couple times before. We have seen it here as well. We've seen it here in small a couple of times. Over here, we broke under it and then pushed back up. Over here we saw something similar. Broke under it, pushed back up through it. I mean, I've been seeing this a lot lately. It's kind of new for me, this pattern. I mean, same as well there. Broke under it and go up. And it seems to me we're doing that now in a more steeper way. But I'm still very bullish. And I mean, looking at targets, I can't name you one. If premiums get too high, right now, we're no premiums, no discount. We're flat. I mean, looking at it, I would say when premiums get too high, I sell. But now we're still looking very good. Ethereum looks very good on the daily as well, like mega bullish, making its triple top now. Big resistance over here, close to the yearly high. If that gives in, we will see $800. Ethereum is very bullish as well, also because CME Group has announced an Ethereum product. So yeah, that is really big. That's institutions. So yeah, that is very good as well. Ripple, XRP. I mean, I'm not a fan of the fundamentals of Ripple, the dump dynamics, I would like to call them. Had a good day today, 10% up, but still this big resistance to clear. Wouldn't long it here, would take profit over here. And if it breaks out this trend line over here, you can long it to the yearly high. And that is about it for today. If you want to know anything, let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think. And let's do another challenge. You get 100 USDT if you are correct with the price for the next video in about 24 hours. Plus minus $5. And yeah, that is about it. Make sure you also trade with one of these sign-up links, since you save costs on your trading fees. So see you guys again tomorrow, and make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment.